What's up, guys? What is going on, boys and girls?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
What is going on? What's going on, people?
2017 was one hell of a ride for me. I can't really say it was like a roller coaster because I really didn't have any real lows. The year started with buying my wife her own motorcycle so we could both share the passion. From there, I watched her evolve and grow as a new rider. Every mile, every milestone. From learning the clutch in a parking lot,
whenever you are ready. No.
To riding on the street.
I guess now is as good a time as ever.
For what?
To introduce our new rider to the crew.
Hi.
That's my wife, Kayla.
To riding on the highway.
KP's first time on the highway. First highway ride.
And eventually, to riding the tail of the dragon, one of the most technical roads in America, just 4 months after learning how her clutch works. Few things can compare to sharing a passion with someone you love, and I continue to be so proud of her progress. We spent a week up at the St. Lawrence River, where we got married back in 2013.
Are you going to show them the castle?
I'm going to try to zoom in with the GoPro here. But way across the river, way over there, is Bolt Castle. That's where she and I got married.
Called Heart Island.
And saw some pretty cool things we typically wouldn't be able to see anywhere else. Now this video wouldn't be complete without mentioning my cousin Rye, aka Guy Balls, who I'm sure you've all come to know if you've been on my channel long enough.
Man, I need to find a different seat for this fucking thing.
Different what? Seat?
Seat.
Beat? I didn't even know you liked beats.
Seat.
Little may you know, we've grown up together like brothers, literally our entire lives, so it's no surprise that he's become a big part of the channel. He even asked me to be the godfather to his baby boy, Lincoln. And of course, I was honored.
And now we get to introduce Lincoln. Lincoln!
That's Lincoln. That's Rye's baby.
Lincoln, you're officially on YouTube.
If Daddy says yeah.
You probably got to ask Mommy.
With not really having anything exciting around us, sometimes you gotta make it exciting.
'82! Popped it all! Yeah! Babe, I topped your bike out!
So finally, after years of anticipation, my wife Kayla and I made the voyage to East Tennessee, home of some of the best roads the continental US has to offer, including the Tail of the Dragon.
I am here in Tennessee on Route 129, which most of you may know is the Tail of the Dragon, or at least the Tail of the Dragon is on Route 129.
Here, I met my longtime friend Dave, who ironically I had never met in person before. We met on Xbox, realized we both shared the same passion for riding, and the rest is history.
So this is Foothills. We're heading down to 129 from here. It connects to the Dragon.
This is probably gorgeous in the fall.
You're probably gorgeous in the fall.
Thanks. Whoa!
Yeah, dude.
Good one.
Jesus. Oh, shit. Wow.
What's that?
Wow, wow.
I mean, you got the baby hand.
Oh, wow. That's why I only eat sliders. I wish I had Dave's hand, makes it look bigger. See, that's a good thing, John. Like me, if my cock was the same size as yours, identically, and we were standing next to each other, mine would look bigger by proportion. Oh, there's a cop there. Where? Right to your fucking... He's probably going to be chasing us. Look at, he's going to pursue us. See, like, now's the perfect time for dead red. Yeah, it definitely is a cop.
We rented enduros, hit the trails, got lost, even helped out a trucker who got stuck just a couple hundred yards from the Dragon, which we got heavily criticized for on the good old internet.
This is something that rarely happens, and when they do it, they're fucking in trouble, and they can kill people. Look at this fucking idiot. What a dumbass. You good that way? Yeah, there's nobody, nobody. I got a buddy down there, I could talk to him, he said it's clear if you want to pass. Yep. Yeah. Oh, good call. Yeah, we can just direct it. Alright, I'm sending 3 through.
I could go on and on about all the fun things we did, but let's just say it was one of the best weeks of my life. Now sure, I wasn't able to make $1 million on YouTube, or have the killer opportunities that guys like Do It With Dan or Chase on Two Wheels had, but I can confidently say that 2017 is definitely one for the books, and I cannot wait to see what 2018 has in store for us. So as always guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Later.
Dave's probably like him. I can't wait till these guys go back up north. Sick of this moto vlogging shit. Gotta clap like a seal every time we stop.